What's up guys, Diego here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day, a great afternoon, a great night, wherever you guys are. Today's video is gonna be super important for me and for you guys to understand. This video is gonna be all about investing. We're gonna take a look at what are the best investment options at the moment and what is gonna be your best option. So let's get right into the video. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering, how do people make more money? How can I make passive income? How can I make my money work for me instead of me working for money? So I'm gonna give you guys 4 investment options. However, I wanna be clear that this is not gonna be financial advice. Everything that I'm gonna write down in a moment is gonna be based on my opinion, not on any expert options. I'm not telling you guys to go out there and do these things. This is just what I think. So the first one, you guys are not gonna be very happy about it, but it's basically gonna be investing in knowledge. So investing in education, knowledge, skills. So investing in yourself. So what do I mean when I say knowledge? I mean getting different trainings for whatever you're trying to do. So if you want to start trading Forex, for example, I don't know why would you, but okay, or binary options or crypto or whatever, the first step is always going to be getting some basic knowledge, because knowledge is permanent. So knowledge, you're going to have knowledge that you acquire for the rest of your life, unless you forget or something or stop practicing. But in the most basic sense, when you acquire knowledge, whether that is buying books, buying trainings, attending a webinar, maybe enrolling a seminar or a course on college, whatever. So when you're spending money on education, it is going to be permanent. So it's not an investment that can disappear. So what is going to happen is that you're going to have the knowledge, and that knowledge is going to give you the possibility to make much more money using those skills. So the main 3 I would say that are the main components of knowledge are going to be investing on books, investing on training or courses or webinars, and mentorships. So investing in someone to teach you the ways. Number 2, stocks. So stocks are a pretty good option for a lot of people, but again, the first step is going to be getting to know a little bit more about stocks. How do people do it? What are the experts doing? Maybe buy a mentorship that teaches you how to invest in stocks. So always follow number 1 and then go into the other ones. So stocks are a great option for a lot of people because you don't have to have great amounts of money. So some people think that investing is for those that already have a lot of money and a lot of capital. However, that couldn't be more away from the truth. You can start with $50, $10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, whatever you guys have, you can start. And the earlier you start, the better. Number 3 is going to be a compound interest account. So this works in different ways. So in my example here in Costa Rica, there are 2 national banks that work with compound interest accounts, that in the way that they operate is that they grab the amount of money that you deposit in your account, in your compound interest account, and they go out there and invest it. So it is pretty safe because it's with a national bank. There's always going to be some type of risk. I mean, the bank can go broke, or your country might fall into a communist dictatorship or whatever, but in the main sense, it's going to be a very low risk method. And the average compound interest account is going to give you about 7 to 9% return on your investment. So if the first year you started with $100, then after 1 year, they're going to give you back $108 or $107. The second year, they're going to give you 8% of the 107, not of your initial 100. So I don't know if that makes sense. If you guys don't know what a compound interest is, go ahead and search this term. It is super powerful. Basically, money multiplies over time. But again, the main idea is that you guys start us early, because the more time you give your money, the more money you can actually produce. So, compound interest account. Number four. Four is the main old cryptocurrencies. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But if you guys want to start with crypto or with stocks, you have to get the knowledge first. That is going to be vital for you guys, especially if you want to do it alone. There's a lot of brokers that you can pay, and they actually do the heavy lifting for you guys. But what I would recommend is that you actually get the knowledge and then start investing, because that way you don't have to pay a monthly fee or a commission to somebody, and at the same time you're acquiring the knowledge, which is going to be permanent. So let's say crypto is super strong in 5 years or 10 years. Now you have the knowledge to go way deep. So knowledge is permanent. So that's why I wrote it down in the first. I know that is not technically an investment of this sort, but always knowledge and then something. Knowledge and then crypto, knowledge and then stocks. Okay, these are gonna be my main four, just because are the ones that I handle the best, and I have part of my money on crypto, part of my money on compound interest accounts, and part of my money on stocks. So I wouldn't want to talk about other investing options that I don't use myself. So everything we're talking about in this channel are things that I know and I do myself. I'm not gonna start talking about real estate if I don't have real estate. Okay, so that being said, let's do another column real quick for you guys. These are gonna be the extra. So I wrote down this as an extra point because there are the ones that I don't use myself, but I know a lot of people have been using, and those are gonna be real estate, forex, gold or silver, so like utilities, and trading. So again, I don't use this myself, so I wouldn't be so sure on what a history of 2-3 years is gonna give you guys. I've been in crypto, stocks, and compound interest for more than 2 years, so I feel comfortable saying that they're very good options. So if you guys wanna learn more about all of this, go ahead and look it up on YouTube, Google, or whatever. But what I can tell you with all my certainty is that you have to acquire the knowledge first in whatever option. So you can choose a couple. You can choose maybe gold and stocks. So that's okay. You can diversify your portfolio, your investing portfolio. But the important thing is that you know what you're doing, and you know you're understanding what your money is doing on the daily basis. So that's gonna all come through knowledge. Whatever topic you guys are interested. So if you guys are interested on crypto, stocks, or whatever, go ahead and look for somebody that can be some type of a mentor for you. I didn't add this one because it's gonna be the holy grail of all of this, but this is gonna be my suggestion. Of course, you guys know that I'm a businessman. I believe in business. I believe in what a business can do to your life, how it can change your life and those around you. So that being said, of course, after knowledge, your number one investment for the long run, for security, for stability, is always going to be your business. When you're investing in your business, your return on investment is absolutely uncertain, in the sense that it can triple, it can 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times. Usually with stocks, with crypto, with a compound interest account, with real estate, there are limits set by the market. But if you have your own business and you educate yourself and you work hard and you're disciplined and everything, the sky's the limit. Literally, Amazon started with probably $50 and is now worth trillions. So just know that your business is going to be your number one investment. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick video on investment. Again, focus on your knowledge. That's going to be the main thing I want you guys to take of this video. Knowledge is everything. Knowledge to grow your business, knowledge to invest in stocks, in crypto, knowledge. That being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and share it with somebody that might want to learn more on business or investing. So go ahead and share that, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Pura Vida.